Hello and welcome to the season finale of using up my leftover paints that I have from the Deconstructed Bloom series. This is a smorgasbord, is that how you say that? Of paints. I don't know if they're going to work out. I'm going to try things a little bit different as well because I scraped up some of my Satin-Enamel mixture. I'm going to do a straight pour, but I'm going to do it with the pearlescent paints from Amsterdam. I'm going to use inside and as a puddle underneath the Satin-Enamel mixture that I scraped off my table. And I am also debating using one color that I don't know if I should in there. I might leave it out. I'm going to see how much I have. I might need to use it. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm going to start. I actually think I'm going to start this with this gold. This is gold, copper, and bronze. I was trying to use up a bunch of different colors. I'm going to do a pretty good amount in the bottom here. And then I'm just going to layer these on down on the sides. I might save a little bit to try to layer them again. I'm really trying to think through this. I have like almost no dark blue left. I should have done a pearl. And this is kind of like a little bit like, I don't know which of these colors is which. I'm just layering them in. I'm going to do a full layer of those. Okay, now let me see. I should put them over here when I'm done with them. Now, I think I want to do this light lime green. Oh, this could come out not very good. We will see together. I think I want to go, I just don't know. I'm going to go with the dark green next. Do I go ahead and add in some of this color, y'all? I mean, this is just a leftover paint day, so let's just see how it goes. Maybe it adds a bright pop of color. Maybe it turns into something that's not very good. And I do want to add in a little bit of the Satin-Enamel mixture. I have no idea how this is going to come out. All right, almost none of this left. Next up, I think I want to do this really pretty deep dark purple. And then whatever pearlescent color this is. Oh, who knows if this is going to turn out. Then I want to come in with this. Do I want any more of that yellowish orange color? I don't know the answer to that yet, but I do want the rest of that. Then the rest of this, I'm running out of dark colors to layer with my pearls, so I'm going to have to do these top layers. Each one. If this turns out good, y'all, I'm going to be very surprised. Very, very surprised. I don't know. Let's just use the rest of this. Why not? Okay. And I don't have to fill the cup all the way to the top because I'm going to use the Satin-Enamel as like a base to pour it into. Do I have any more of this? I wanted like a darker color right next to it. I have a little bit of this green left. That green, I don't know about that green, y'all. And then a little bit. Okay. Ta-da! I don't know. What do y'all think? I mean, it kind of looks good. I guess we'll see. Ooh, that was a lot. That was a lot, actually. I definitely didn't need all of that, but oh well. All right, let me give it. I think I want to stretch it out a little bit. Okay. All right, y'all, let's straight pour this out. Let's see, I'm gonna go in. I don't want to jiggle it this time. I truly want it to straight pour. I'm just gonna go up and down a little bit. Now I'm gonna twist it and straight pour. Oh, there's my beautiful center. I don't know, do I even just gonna let it keep dripping. Those last little bits. I have little birdies outside my garage. Whoa! Oh. Okay, y'all. Go me right now. Let's see how it stretches out. But I'm very surprised by that orange color. And I also want to see what this reaction is going to be, if it's going to be a little bit like clouds. I don't know. And I don't know if the pearls are going to show up. There's lots of questions in this painting. But I'm going to circle it on around first. And then I think I want to pop the air bubbles one more time. All right, let's see. Let's see what happens here. Where's the paint? I'm gonna keep circling on around. It's starting to go off the edges now. I want to keep that center because that is gorgeous. Bring that on down here. Ooh. What do we think? I don't know. That's pretty cool. Oh, the only part... You know what? I don't love this section right here. I am actually going to tilt it. Okay. Okay. And I have like pearl cells starting to pop up just wherever. This is definitely going to be I have no idea how this one is going to dry. That was fun. All right, I'll take you in for close-ups of what it looks like now, and then it may be a totally different painting when it dries, but we'll see. I'll show you. Okay, this is going to dry very different, I think, than it is now. One, because the pearl colors are going to show up. Two, because I think that more of these little pearl cells will show up. When I say pearls before, I meant like the actual pearlescent paints, the interference colors. What do we think of the colors, though? I don't know. I really like that yellowish orange in there. Oh, this is interesting. All right, let's see how it dries. I mean, to be a leftover paint pour, I would say not too shabby. I love all the little small parts that popped up along and inside the design, but you can see how pretty all the lines are. And then you've got these tiny little pops of the blue that comes through the design. Super, super fun. And I love the center. The metallic in that one, oh my goodness, shines so bright. I thought for sure I was not going to like the colors. And the green is probably what I like the least. But the dark blue, the dark purple, the pinkish purple, and the bronze, whew, super fun. All right, thanks everyone for watching. Happy painting. Bye.